What's up, y'all? So we're back at it again. We're on Lake Conroe. We're about to hit Party Cove, check out Margaritaville. We're good to go. All right, guys, so I've got these wet jet earplugs that will block out the wind sound and help me hear my music a lot better. I'm gonna test them out. All right, I got the headphones on. Time will tell whenever. Cool. Got it. You're so I've got some new passengers right now. This is my volleyball's brother right now. So he goes, if you fall, make me fall off. I'm Kendra's brother, by the way. I'm just letting you know. I was like, oh shit, okay, pressure. That means go f***ing fast.
Yes.
I need y'all's consent.
I don't sign it. No. All consent for me to die. Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Absolutely, yes.
All right.
I give consent for 2 people, not 3.
They said that they've never been on a jet ski, but they're on the Lexus,
we're on the showboat right here.
This is the Maserati jet ski.
The Bentley of jet skis right now.
Right here.
A few moments later.
So he was like, oh my gosh, how fast? He goes, I'll go, that was only 67.
If the camera's on, yeah.
All right, are you ready to go?
Let's go.
Holy shit, I don't know about that.
Let's see if we can get,
hold on to.
Okay, so you can hold her, it's all in the legs. It's all in the legs, just hold the legs.
Let's go.
No, hold on.
I'm holding you, but I'm literally holding you.
Okay. I'm just gonna wave around. It's gonna hit some bumps. Legs. Oh yeah. Okay.
Drive?
Yeah.
No, I want to drive. No. She knows Kinder a lot better than you, so.
Pete will do it. I'll be on the end. Here, so switch. I'll be on the
You
end.
just gotta hold on. I'm not gonna go too fast.
Yeah, don't go too fast because the choppiness will throw us off.
Yes. So it's just like.
Okay, so left is braking, but you will get thrown off if we go too fast and we're... Wait, hold on. Wait!
So you don't. Oh.
Hold on, we gotta strap this on to you.
Strap me.
Gosh, Then watch the waves, that's how you know.
Yeah, the
Especially
wake
the
and stuff.
insert.
Oh my God.
All right.
I am going, I've let him drive,
No,
oh my
we're
God.
good. We got this. Me and Alvean, yeah.
Oh
Women.
no!
Come on!
It's right here.
"12 seconds later.
No, we're good. We're alive. Hey, update. seconds. We're still up. Alright, come on.
I think I made a mistake.
No, you did not make a mistake. No mistake. That was all.
Oh my
Okay.
gosh, she's
We're
running.
live. We're live.
Oh no.
You want me to take it back in? Look at all that. That was just
Put
it.
her in the middle of us so she
Okay.
can coach me.
Of course.
Okay. Oh shit. Hold on. Okay. They're switching spots, guys. They're switching spots.
We're switching spots.
Put it right here.
Hold on.
Hey, be easy, okay?
There you go. You can just do it. You don't have to go. Let's do it!
No!
She has control. I can feel it.
That's good for the YouTube right there.
That is good for it.
Alright, she's done.
I fucked the fucking shit.
Sarah got too excited. She got too excited and threw us off.
Soon after.
So we just got back on.
We flipped over, but we're gonna make it back.
A plus code.
I would never. I always tell people, if you start to see me panic, that's the only time you should panic. Other than that, I'm usually chill. I'm like,
she hasn't
okay.
panicked yet, so.
Yeah, I'm all like, go faster, go left, cut it to the left. What about you? What about yourself? I returned your brother safely. You did. Now she might have done something else.
I know I did. I did. I felt so bad. I said, I'm not gonna give a shit.
I don't care. I was like, go left.
She was like, go left, and I was like, left. She was saying shit. You told her.
All right, guys. Now we're off to Margaritaville for anything. See if she's back here to hold on.
Faceless is lit, the game is off balance, I'm back on my shit, the Bentley is dirty, my sneakers are
I was trying to give her own Alvean Seadoo, and she was like, oh, okay.
I feel like the guy, you know the guy that would always open the umbrella for P. Diddy?
Yeah.
I feel like that guy.
Oh, look
like,
at
he
that,
would always
look at that,
around holding the umbrella.
Hey, she's.
They're like, it's not raining, I don't care.
Huh?
I've got my own personal umbrella holder right here. It's nice to have somebody with me that can hold the umbrella. Man, being in the sun is like 10 to 15 degrees hotter. What is that for? Oh, those are the ergo locks. The ergo locks are to twerk on. The twerk.
Twerking Negro lock.
Negro locks. He goes, the twerking Negro locks. What the heck?